Welcome to CODE.I.N. Today we are going to see what is CSS. Today we are going to see the introduction. CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet. It used to style the web page. Okay, now we are seeing many colors, many font, and then many animations, and then website will be looks beautiful and modern, right? This and all happen using CSS. Okay, there are three types of CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. Today we are going to see what is CSS, how it will change our website, and then how the types of what is the difference between these types of CSS and which one is most effective. Okay, uh, see, this is MDN. This is the developer website. Here you can learn uh, all about CSS, which is clear and good. All developer will learn from here. Okay. Okay. Now let's open our VS Code and learn how this here. Now we are going to create a simple one. If you give HTML5, the basic will come. Today we are learning about CSS. Okay. We are simply creating one header CSS and one paragraph tag lorem 23. Okay. 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 Now we can see how we can write CSS. CSS is nothing but style, right? So first, if we write inside the tag means style color, if it is blue, aqua. Okay. Then if we save, if we run this, see here you can see the heading as in blue color, right? This is called inline CSS. If the style is written for giving red color, okay. Okay, save and see red color. Okay, if the style is written inside the tag itself means it is inline CSS. It has higher priority. Okay, then another type is internal CSS. Internal CSS is written inside head. Here body color, body nothing but this one. Okay, body color background linear gradient. Here yesterday we have seen that linear gradient. No, okay, now we know need this linear gradient. Simply we can give background color green. Okay, background color is I given body color as green. Okay, we can make it light green. Then save. Then if we open and run, we can see the light green color. Okay, okay, the style is missing. Okay, sorry. Okay, due to some extension, it's showing. Simply tap, then sorry, save, then run. See, the background is changed. Then here there is a red color heading. Then it's showing all things, right? If we give inside the tag itself, it is a inline CSS. If we give the style inside a head, it is a internal CSS. Okay, then what is mean by external CSS means we have to create one folder called CSS. Inside that we have to put one file called style dot sorry style dot css. Here, if we call this paragraph, right, already we have given for body and header. If we here we for paragraph, if we created a, so this one, right. Okay, here we given red color. Can give us a green color for verification. Okay, we have made paragraph color as green. Okay, but if we now run this, we won't see the paragraph color as green because we didn't link the external file with the current HTML file. Okay, how we can link? In a header file we have to type link style sheet. Okay, want to refer, as already we discussed the file path, right? For there is a folder called CSS. Inside that styles.css. Then if we save, now you can see the color as green. See how the color changed. This is this is how the external CSS file is linked to the current HTML file. Okay. Now we have seen what is CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet, that is to make the website beautiful. Okay. Now there is three types: inline, internal, and external. Inline is nothing but that style is given inside the same line or inside a tag. Okay. Internal is inside same HTML file inside head. Okay, then when it is external means we have to create on CSS file inside that styles.css. Then there we have to put there our CSS. Then we have to link in the head tag. Okay, this is the best practice because if we want to change any specific content in a project, there will be more lines, right? We can't change in everything, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything in a single HTML page. It will be become more hectic, right? So if we keep separate folder for everything, then it will be best practice. Okay, today we have seen the introduction. Then we can learn all topics daily basis. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel to daily learning.